Welcome Tanzanian customers to visit our company. In the showroom, you will see our full range of LED screen products, including indoor and outdoor LED displays, LED billboards and LED rental screens. While showing LED screens of different sizes, resolutions and functions, we will introduce to you the application of LED screens in advertising, entertainment and other fields, as well as their high brightness, high definition and reliability. Afterwards, we will take you to visit our LED screen aging workshop. Here, you will witness with your own eyes our strict testing and quality control of LED screen products. Through aging testing, we ensure the performance and stability of the LED screen during long-term use. Our staff will show you the process and methods of aging testing and answer any questions you may have.